and this is on how to clean a fidget spinner. So, like mine, if you heard in my other fidget spinner video, it's not very smooth and doesn't spin that long. So, I've already cleaned it, so I'll just do it again as I take off. Okay, so I got those off. Here, I'll send this up. Yeah, I got those off. So now what you're gonna want to do is blow on this. So you just go. It'll throw some of the dirt out of it if it's an older one. So that'll help a little bit. So yeah. Then with these off, see, it's still the same. So you're gonna want to get some water, put it in the inside, get the dirt out of it. Get some kind of thing, Kleenex out, I guess. So just use the toilet paper. Just wipe out the insides. Just go around like that for a little while. Just don't get anything stuck inside. That'll screw it up. So just do that for a little while. Maybe put it in and out. So you can like roll it up. Get a little bit wet. Stick it in. There. Yeah, like that. So then you might see it doesn't make as loud as a noise. So it's a little bit better. You might want to just go in and out with the inside right there. There's the go in and out with that. So a little bit wet. And now that both sides. So yeah, it'll be a little bit better, I think, now. Wash it off a little bit. I'll wipe it off. You may see that it's a little bit better. Yeah, it goes much smoother now. Get these things back on. Just keep doing that after a couple of weeks of using it, taking it places. You might just want to do that. Much better. It's much smoother. Because I was kind of unhappy with mine because I was making all these weird noises when it spun. So you can just put water inside of the bearings. Wipe it off. Let's see there. Okay, so that wraps it up. If this helped, please leave a like. Maybe subscribe. I'm trying to get to 50 so I can do a special video for you guys. Leave a comment if this helped. So please like and subscribe, comment if it helped you. By the way, do you like my Kansas Jayhawks spinner? I might get a metal one in a little bit. On like Amazon or eBay or something. So thanks for watching. Bye.